Don't even talk to me because I have a camera now. What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Damaya. I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and vlogging type of content. So if that's what you like, you definitely made it to the right channel. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button as well and turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I post. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my new... I'm so excited. Like, I can't believe I have a camera now. Like, this is like... Don't even talk to me because I have a camera now. Going to be unboxing my Canon EOS M50. That is the camera that I got. I'm gonna tell you guys little details about it and stuff. This is the box that it comes in, which I don't understand why it comes in this box because there's really not that much stuff in it, which I thought that's another thing. So the Canon G7x, that creator kit, it's like it comes with like a huge kit. Like there's a lot of stuff in it. I thought this one came with more stuff, but it doesn't. But honestly, it's alright, it's fine. Total, I paid $850, well, around there. $850 for this camera. It's a little pricey for my first camera, but why settle for less? Yeah, this is just the camera that I wanted. The G7x, there's nothing wrong with it. The problem with that camera is that, well, for me at least, is that I think it's good for vlogging, but because I make beauty content and hair videos, I would rather have a camera that I can switch out the lenses for better focus, for just better quality in general. The G7X is a fixed lens, so basically you cannot change the lenses. I could purchase any lens that I want and just put it on it. This does come with one lens, and I am going to be getting another lens, but I'll talk about that later on in the video. So let's just get into unboxing this. This is the box that it comes in. Cute little box. On the side, it has everything that is inside the box. I already opened it, but like I didn't really open it. Like I just opened this box, and in this box is another box. So it does come with a microphone, but I am probably going to be using this microphone when I'm filming at home, and I'm going to get a different microphone for when I'm vlogging because this is just like way too big. Like I'm not walking around with this. So I think I'm just gonna get one of those smaller microphones and see if that works out for me. This is the Rode microphone, lightweight on-camera microphone, and I believe this works for any camera, and you just attach it to the top of the camera and then you plug it in on the side of the camera. And yeah, I've heard really good things about this microphone. Actually, I was gonna get it when, well, I'm still filming on my phone right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is probably the last video I'll be filming on my phone. This is crazy. But yeah, I've heard really good things about this microphone. So if you want to get a microphone, I'll link this one down below. And now this is the camera. This is the box that it comes in. By the way, you guys, I purchased this from Best Buy, so the prices might be a little different depending on where you purchase it. So yeah, this is the box. This says Canon EOS M50 at the top right here, and it says it right here. I got the M15/45 IS STM kit. So now I'm just opening it, and it comes all protected. Here are some, what is this? I don't know what this is actually. All right, this is the user manual, which I will be needing because I've never worked with a camera before. And of course, the beginning of it is in Mandarin because this camera does come from China. So yeah, it just tells you everything about the camera in here. It teaches you the initial prep, how to charge your battery, how to put in the SD card, removing the SD card, attaching the lenses, how you prepare to shoot, detaching the lenses, how to change the date, time zone, language, the menu screen, how to shoot photos, recording movies, how to view the photos. You can set up Wi-Fi on it. Yeah, so that's about it in the manual. This is what inside of the box it looks like. And the first thing I'm pulling out is the lens. This is the lens that it comes with. This is the 15 to 45 milliliter lens, and it is a stabilizer, which I absolutely love because, you know, things just happen, and when you're filming, sometimes your tripod might shake a little bit, so this will stabilize that. This is what the lens looks like. This is the front part of the lens, and it comes with a lens cover, of course, to protect the glass. You don't want to be breaking it because these lenses are not cheap. These lenses go for like $250 plus, and this is the side that you put into the camera. And this side also comes with a little cap. The next thing in here is a wristlet. This is big. What is this? I'm not sure what this is, but I know it's to put your camera on. I guess it's like the shoulder thing, like to hold your camera. Apparently there's a strap mount on the camera. I don't even know how you do this. I'm not sure how to put this on. I'll figure it out. Next is the battery. Oh, this is not the battery. This is how you charge the battery. So you plug this into the wall and you put the battery right here and it will charge. I'm gonna get a couple more batteries because having one battery is just not gonna work. It's the little battery. I'm actually gonna put this to charge right now. So you just place the battery in this way. You pop it in like that. Yeah, so there's two little words, and one says charge and one says full. So they are lights, and when it's charging, the charge will light up, and when the battery is done charging, the full light will light up. So I'm gonna put this to charge. Next in the box is a 32 gigabyte SD card, which I'm going to need way more SD cards. So friends and family, if you're watching this and you need something to get me for my birthday or for Christmas or for any holiday, give me SD cards. So yeah, this comes with a 32 gigabyte SD cards. I'm really not sure like how much gigabytes like something can hold. Like, I don't know if that even makes sense, but like how many videos one SD card can hold, I'm really not sure, but I do know I'm going to need more SD cards because 32 gigabytes not gonna be enough. Before I actually show you guys the camera, I'm going to just read a little bit about the Canon EOS M50 and why I decided to choose this camera. I kind of spoke about it a little bit in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna tell you guys again why I chose this camera. So I'm reading this off of the Canon website itself. And it says the Canon EOS M50 is a compact, interchangeable lens camera for aspiring photographers looking for an easy way to boost the quality of their photos and videos. With high-resolution 4K UHD 24p video, you can capture the incredible details and cinematic moments of your life at home or wherever your adventure takes you. Snap vibrant, eye-catching photos with a 24.1 megapixel sensor using the built-in electronic viewfinder or vari-angle touchscreen LCD. Thanks to the fast and improved dual pixel CMOS autofocus system, you can quickly lock focus on your subject to make sure you don't miss the action. See how the Canon EOS can easily deliver the high quality photos and videos you've always imagined. I definitely wanted a small camera. For this camera being a mirrorless camera, it means that it's not a DSLR camera. So you know those big, gigantic, huge cameras that you see photographers use? Yeah, no. Like, those take amazing pictures, but it is just, in videos, it is just absolutely way too big. So this camera, the size of it is good enough for vlogging and good enough for, you know, doing sit-down videos. It also shoots in 4K, which a lot of cameras cannot do for whatever reason, but a lot of cameras cannot shoot in 4K, and I love 4K. On my phone, I put the settings on 4K. This is why everybody thinks I have a camera already, because I put my settings on my phone to 4K. I absolutely love how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys what the camera looks like. It's not too small, but it's not big, super big either. This is the other side. And this is where the lens goes. So you put the lens right on here, and this is the flip out screen. It is touchscreen. You can flip it this way, you can leave it this way when you're shooting like this and you want to see it in the viewfinder over here, and when you're vlogging you just flip it the other direction. So this flips this way and it goes back in like this, or you can flip it this way and you can view it like this. On the side right here is the HDMI cord. So if you're trying to, you know, connect it to your TV or wherever, or your computer, this is where it would go in. This is for the battery, of course. This is where your battery goes. So this is where you would put the microphone. So the other piece of the microphone goes in this little hole right here. So you would just hook this up like that, and then this little thing right here, and then this would slide onto the camera like that. And that is how you set up the microphone that it comes with. And then to tighten the microphone on, I believe you just tighten it like that. And now the microphone isn't going to move whichever way you move the camera. And to take it off, you just untighten it and you slide it off like that. You have the on and the off button. You have the little screw thing where you would put it on your tripod. So that's about it for this camera so far. I do have to search up more videos to see how I change the settings and all of that. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to be notified every single time I post. I'm so excited to be filming on this new camera. And I hope you guys really enjoy the quality. If you guys see any changes, and if you guys suggest anything about this camera to me, please leave me a comment down below, because I'm gonna need some help. I'm definitely gonna need some help with this camera. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.